Are you stuck with Firefox is already running but not responding and can't open it? Fix it in under 3 minutes without losing your bookmarks. We'll start by force closing Firefox processes, then check your profile folder, and finally, restore data if needed. First, head over to the Firefox help page titled Firefox is already running but is not responding error, how to fix. Click on End Firefox Processes. Then you'll see an explanation that if Firefox didn't shut down normally, it might still be running in the background, even if it's not visible. Now, click on Use the Windows Task Manager to close the existing Firefox process. Right-click an empty spot in the taskbar and select Task Manager, or press Ctrl-Shift-Escape. It defaults to the Processes tab. Then, right-click the collapsible entry for Firefox and choose End Task to close all Firefox windows without additional prompts. Exit the Task Manager and start Firefox normally. If that doesn't work, note that your personal settings are kept in a Firefox profile and it needs to be unlocked. In the General tab, uncheck Read Only. Only applies to files in folder, if it is not already. Then, click on Restore Data from a Locked Profile. If you still can't unlock it, use the Profile Manager to create a new profile and migrate your data from the locked one. That should get you back up and running. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.